Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Sentra brake light only ways. Remove the trunk liner cover and expose the light housing. Then twist the socket counterclockwise and pull it free. Next, gently remove the old bulb and replace with the new bulb matching the same type. Test the light with the battery reconnected. And finally reassemble the housing and trunk liner securely while checking brake operation before driving. Start by opening the trunk and peeling back the trunk liner to access the housing. Carefully note clip positions so you can reattach them later. Then use a flathead screwdriver to ease any tight clips without forcing them. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise until it releases, and pull the socket outward to remove the bulb assembly ready for inspection or bulb replacement before reinstalling. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps others find this video. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs nicely with garage tunes while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. With the correct bulb in hand, avoid touching the glass surface by wearing gloves or using a clean cloth. Carefully insert the bulb into the socket and ensure it is fully seated. Then push the socket into the housing and twist clockwise until it locks. Reattach any clips or the trunk liner, reconnect the battery negative terminal, and test the brake lights with a helper or by backing up to a reflective surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.